Today I am going to show you how to create 3D mockup using Photoshop. First of all, we have to export this artwork. For export, click on File, Export, Export as. Then go to the PSD file. Here double click on the Smart Object layer. Here we have to paste the design. First, open this design on Photoshop. Select this area and Control C for copy this and paste here. For change this one, double click on the Smart Object layer. Copy the color from here. Control C for copy and Control V paste. Then we can export this as JPG. For export, click on File, Export, Export as. Select location where you want to export this one. Done. You can see we can easily create 3D mockup using this way.